and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. So super excited because today we're starting a new series inspired all about butterflies. So there's so many beautiful butterflies in the world. They have amazing vibrant colors, they have amazing vibrant patterns, and we're not gonna be so literal like we were with the floral series where we used stencils and used fluid art as the background. This is just gonna be inspired by. So think of the colors, the patterns, basically it, right? So excited to start today's with the OG butterfly, the one that's the most famous, and that is the Monarch butterfly. So here's a picture of a Monarch butterfly. Look at just how beautiful and vivid those orange colors are. So today we have a plethora of orange-ish colors. I'll walk you through those right here. This is just medium yellow. So this is, yes, yellow medium, sorry, from Master's Touch. And that's mixed with a little bit of US Floetrol and then Curate Pouring Medium. I like to start with the US Floetrol because it really helps break the paint up. And then I like to come in with the Curate Pouring Medium because it's nice and runny. The second color, this is the one I'm most excited about. It's a custom color that I made, and I used both fluorescent yellow and fluorescent pink from Liquitex Basics, but it is like a super hot orange, and I'm really excited for that. And then lastly, this last color, it's kind of like a dark orange red, kind of like a, yeah, I guess an orange red would be appropriate. So that is the yellow medium and then cadmium red medium hue from Liquitex Basics. And then I did add just like the teeniest, tiniest bit of burnt umber. So made this like really neat, dark orange, if you will. So those are our colors that we're gonna be using. We're gonna be doing 2 flip cups, and then we're gonna be doing some swipes through. So kind of how you see that pattern on the butterfly itself. We're gonna be doing some black swipes. This is Oxide Black from Amsterdam mixed with Australian Floetrol. So as we go through, I'm going to post some fun facts about Monarch butterflies, maybe you haven't known, and excited to create this. So this is on a 20 by 20 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. And again, we'll be doing 2 flip cups and then some swipes with the black. So I'll shut up and enjoy the show. All right, here we are, close up of the wet result. Look how cool this turned out. And I was so happy that I was able to get that green. It kind of made a greenish, that's always the risk with black and these colors, but I'm super happy with it. Really excited to see how it dries because it's going to be much darker, more vibrant, and yeah, definitely Monarch butterfly wing vibe right here. All right, let's see how this beautiful thing dries. All right, here is the dried result. Look how cool this turned out. I love this. Oh, wow. This lacing and color combo definitely is giving me Monarch butterfly vibes. It could also be like very lava-y, but I think with like some of the thicker black lines and some more of that like yellowy orange is just so beautiful. And I'm thankful we got, I mean, a teeny bit of green up there, but overall I was kind of nervous and it looks good. So we will take it. All right, awesome. Let me know if you guys have another butterfly in mind for part of the series. So this is the Monarch butterfly. The next video, I'm really excited. I actually just shot that today. So stay tuned for that next. It's an absolute beast, guys. It's the biggest canvas I've ever done in my life. So definitely, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that. Give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for this butterfly series. All right, have a great time and a great week, and I will see you next time. Peace out.